Hi, my name is Gupta and I am the CTO of ONDA Plus. I am the technical person responsible for this next gen smart variable that helps people to detect and manage stress. This helps people to take decisions more wisely. So I'll start with how we actually developed this product. Now we developed this product in like three stages. Currently we are at the prototyping level, and in the first stage we targeted the basically overall component selection. We firstly targeted all the requirements selection. We did like the complete architecture as to like what it should have and what it should not have, like the USB-C, PMIC, and the PPG sensor. All these sensors we have mapped. We did components evaluation, which will be the best components for our product. So we have actually evaluated that. We did like the complete architecture finalization and all those things. I'm right now speaking from India, and today is 29th August 2025, and the time is let me just on this. It is 18:56 and 12, as you can see. Okay, now let me get back to like our progress. So firstly we started with developing like the breadboard type of solution. Then from the breadboard we developed this complete general purpose PCB solution, which we did manual soldering, tested each and every component. We firstly worked on the stages where we worked on like the MCU, the vibration, and the storage. So the storage is very important because we need our variable to have lots and lots of information and the capacity that we can provide as much as possible. Then we focused in the second stage. We actually focused on like the battery development. The battery needs to have like a very large charging and discharging basically, and we wanted like a variable where like the battery is not getting drained easily. So next like we worked on this PCB. Could you please zoom on in a bit? Okay, so this is the PCB that we worked on, and this was specifically designed to make sure like we are having the lowest power, like the battery optimization, and we have actually successfully achieved those, and we are having like ultra low power consumption with our techniques. So I'll just show you like how this is working. So I'll just plug on the battery, I'll turn on the switch, I'll slide it, and this switch simulates like the switch that we present on our smartwatch. This is the battery discharging which is happening. If I remove this, you can see like the LED will go off. Now if I plug it again and press the switch, this LED is going. So this is the way. And now I'll show you like the battery charging function. So with this, it is like right now USB, it is getting charged, and if you see like I'll just plug this, and then I'm just owning this, and if you see like this green color LED shows that the battery is successfully getting charged. Okay, and now this was like the second generation PCB where we worked, and then now like we have received like day before yesterday, 2 days ago, we received these PCBs that we are focusing on the sensor development. We are looking for ultra precision sensors development, and if you can see like this one is the PCB, and this is from this, and like the dial, this is suggesting like the dial of the PCB. We might make it like a round, or what do you call it, like a square one. We shall see. I'll just switch off the charging. So you see like this one, we have like we have just populated one PCB at our side already before making this video, and like it works perfectly fine, and some stages still need to be developed, but yes, they are under progress. Now I'll show you like the RGB LEDs that we are working on, because we need our variable not to have just the sensors, not to have just like the more battery, but it should be visually appealing as well. If you can see like we have successfully developed color changing patterns, and we plan to use as much as RGB LEDs for providing different feedbacks to the color. For an example, if a person is calm, then we can provide like a blue color. If a person is getting angry, then we can show like the red color. So these are the common like feedback which we want the person to give, so that he can understand the stress levels. So now with this, like I would like to suggest that we are currently working, and we will make it happen. And we wanted it to make fast, that's why we are focusing this approach. Right now we have actually developed some certain things in terms of like the circuit design and the PCB design. We are reiterating just to make things perfect. And the third stage is now like just left the sensors, and then we bang on, we are right on track. And yes, thank you for helping us to achieve this unique goal.